professional. I don't know anyone, but I sort of know this guy here. It's the man that's to blame for you having me here singing these songs. You rang me up at 2 o'clock. And I know him because he works down the prom, booking bands and all that. Some of you guys might know. He's going to sing you a song, alright? I'm going to get the acoustic guitar on. Please welcome Remus to the stage.
Come on!
Hello!
Hiya!
I just want to say, what a fantastic band. One more round of applause for these wonderful people. I think we're all very privileged to have this spontaneous activity. You know, how brilliant. And let's carry on with, I think we're going to do all along the watchtower, give the boys a chance to play their guitars. Let the boys play the guitar. You don't have to do it too fast, do you?